कोई को लोग ऐसा है कि जो लोग अपने करियर को खुद ही अच्छे से शेप कर लेता है, या कोई कोई लोग ऐसा है जो अपने करियर को खुद ही आउट ऑफ ट्रैक खड़ा कर देता है। इसका कहने का मतलब ऐसा है कि फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 18 व्हेन यू पास योर 15 16 17 योर 12th and your college and your job, this age is very crucial for you to start your career, which will go till 50s and 60s and 70s. I have seen people who have started their career from 20s and 30s, and now they are still living their job life till 60s and 70s and still earning good money and still earning good pension and still earning good reputation and still are recognized in the market and still are doing very well. You know why? The reason of this is they have two things important which they have taken in their control. One is the skill. What skill they have learnt in their 20s, 30s, what skill they have polished, what skill they have practiced, what skill they have burned the night lights and all that, and they have graduated, they have taken additional knowledge, they have taken additional courses to add on to their skills, and now they are still earning at the age of 60s and 70s in the good salary, in a good package, as a consultant, as an advisor, as a colleague, as a board of directors, as a CFO, whatever may be. But one thing is very important. Skill set is very important. What skill will give you money till your 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s is very important to capture in your 20s, 30s. Very important. Because paisa hi bolta hai. Very important. Nothing else. Yes, one is your education, one is your career, one is your skill, one is your academic background. Everything is okay. But ultimately at the end of the day, paisa to chahiye na. For your name in the society, for your name within yourself, your relationships, your family, your people, you need money. So best is that find that one skill in which you can put yourself in the best way possible and learn that skill to the best level. Practice it, nurture it, work on it, and ensure that you become master of that skill so that you can reap the benefits till your ages and ages and ages. Government department, scientific officers, private department, coding, computer, marketing, advertising, insurance, whatever area you see, people who have grown are those people who have got stuck to one or two skill and who have done in that skill to the best, to their very best, and who are still pursuing that skill, and who are still polishing that skill, and who are still learning on that skill, and who are still working on that skill. Those are the people who are never thinking about money, because money is coming from behind as a byproduct without them asking anything. They are getting money from behind without asking anything because they have such skill sets that people are giving them money to join their company, join their board, join their meetings, join their company, join their thinking team, anything possible. Countries are calling for alliance with them. People are calling to them to be their team member. Such is the aura of such people. So always ensure that that one job, that one skill, that one purpose, that one goal, you should never leave it. कोई भी जॉब आपने शुरू किया है, भले ही वो छोटा हो, बड़ा हो, जो भी हो, उसको फिर जल्दी छोड़ो मत. उसको इतना रगड़ो, इतना रगड़ो, इतना रगड़ो कि पत्थर से भी रगड़ रगड़ के पत्थर कट जाता है. तो उस जॉब को आपने इतना एक्सेल कर देना है कि फिर आप उसमें करोड़पति तो बनना ही बनना है. जो मैंने एक एग्जांपल बताया था मेरे पिछले वीडियोस में, चौथी फेल बंदा ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनी में ज्वाइन किया हेल्पर के तौर पर. हेल्पर के तौर पर ज्वाइन करके 10 साल में उसको यह समझ में आ गया कि ये लोग काम कैसे करते हैं. 10 साल के बाद 20 से लेके 30 तक ये समझ में आ गया कि ये लोग काम कैसे करते हैं, पूरा उसको अंदर बाहर समझ में आ गया। 30 से लेके 40 तक उसने अपना खुद का काम शुरू कर दिया, खुद का काम, ट्रांसपोर्ट कंपनी। 30 to 40 एज, 10 साल लगा दिया उसने अपना बेस बनाने में। उस दौरान 40 से लेके 50 तक उसने फिर 25 गाड़ी, 30 गाड़ी, 40 गाड़ी खरीद लिया और खुद का इतना बड़ा नेटवर्क बना लिया कि टुडे ही इज ओनली द डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर कि कौन से जोन में बिजनेस बढ़ाना है, कौन से जोन में बिजनेस और डेवलप करना है, कौन से जोन में नया कंपनी खुल रहा है उसको अटैच करना है, कौन से जोन में नया टीम आया उसको बात करना है। एंड हिज बिजनेस इज ग्रोइंग लाइक एनीथिंग and he has kept now people who are graduates and post graduates and accountants and CAs to manage his business because उसने नहीं सोचा कि मैं ट्रांसपोर्ट का कंपनी में हेल्पर के तरफ ज्वाइन हो रहा हूं तो मैं क्या करूंगा। नो, he went into inside that job and he found that job interesting, whether it was interesting or not interesting. He found it interesting, he made it interesting for him. And he went inside that job and he learned the job so well for first 10 years. It is not a joke. And next 10 years he invested to start that job, to start that opportunity, to start that company, to start that business on his own. He took the risk. And then now he is reaping benefits of that business and his turnover is 20 CR per year and growing year on year. And now he has no time to look back. All his sons are directors of the company and now he is giving job to at least 200 people because he has so much of infrastructure. So one skill, one purpose, one job को इतना अच्छे से पकड़ो, उसको छोड़ो मत और उसको इतना सीखो कि आपको उसको आगे बढ़ाने का जो जज्बा है, जो जुनून है, वो खुद से आ जाए। And then you have nailed the hit button. Very important. So think over it and act upon it. क्योंकि ultimately जैसा मैं अपने हर वीडियो में बोलता हूं, पैसा बोलता है, nothing else. पैसा बोलता है, nothing else. या तो फिर आपका एकेडमिक स्टेटस इतना स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, यू हैव टू बी एन IAS, IPS, जज और a CA और a good person or very strong person, but ultimately at the end of the day पैसा बोलता है, simple as that. So think over it, act fast, catch one skill and fortify that skill anyhow and see that you are on the right track. Very important. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.